Hello, I'm Mr. Beach. This is my class. These students are just starting out. We have tons of stuff to learn. And so one of the things that we do as far as getting them out there in the workforce, certain certifications we have as far as EPA, their apprentice license, their OSHA 10 license that they have, and several other ones. We have first aid. We have some meter classes and other things that we do. So that way, whenever they do walk out there, they have plenty of certifications and things that that a potential employer is looking for to get them hired on and get them out there working.
Hello, my name is Jordan Bray and I'm a second-year student in HVAC. I would say the most challenging thing that I've been through so far is refrigeration. There's a lot of mathematics and aspects of pressure and welding that goes into it, so you have to take a lot of things into consideration. But Mr. Beach is a great teacher and we're headed for that certification.